I need you to grab your flashcards and a pen, screenshot the textbook definition, because this is a very key component of accounting. What is a financial statement? I want you to think of a financial statement as the report card of the company. And today we're going to go over 3 key components: the balance sheet, the income statement, and third and finally, the statement of cash flows. I downloaded Ulta Beauty's financial statements for this example. You can download your copy online, and I highly advise that you do that, because as we march through and learn accounting, it will start to come together if you have a set of financial statements in front of you. I'll link a video down below on how to download Ulta Beauty's financial statements. So first up, the balance sheet. The balance sheet has your assets, liabilities, and equity listed. I'm just going to march through a couple of the accounts today. First and most importantly is cash and cash equivalents, meaning how much cash does the entity have on hand at the end of the year. Second up, liabilities, accounts payable. How much money does the company owe at the end of year? And finally, stockholders' equity. How many shares of stock are authorized at the end of the year? Second up, the income statement. One of the most important key components in the income statement is sales. How much did the company sell in the year? Now, it doesn't matter how much you sell if your expenses exceed your sales, meaning you took in $10, but you spent $15, and that is going to be noted in the expenses section of the income statement. Finally, net income. How much money did you make after expenses? So for this example, Ulta took in, I don't see if this is reported in ones or thousands. What that means is the metrics of the financial statement. For example, if the financial statement is reported in ones, 10,000 will be 10,000. But if the financial statement is reported in thousands, it'll look like 10,000, but it's really 10 million. So I'm just going to assume that the Ulta financial statement was reported in ones. Oh, it says in thousands. Anyway, you can see the sales minus expenses leaves you with the net income. And the third key component that we're going to go over today is your statement of cash flows. And that is very important because it shows cash coming in and cash coming out of the company. And it's divided up into 3 sections. First up, your operating activities, which is your daily operating activities, and it goes into greater detail. Second up, investing activities. For example, proceeds from short-term investments. These investments are not. Finally, financing activities. Proceeds from long-term debt. Followed by, there is an additional key component, which is supplemental information. Now, I know this was a lot of information that we covered today in regard to what is financial statements for accounting. And today we only went over 3: balance sheet, income statement, and statement of cash flows. I want you to get these into your brain by making a flashcard and coming back and revisiting it over and over. And then as these lessons go on, I will give you additional granular details about what items make up these statements and why they are so important. Now, good luck.